So this is US dollar CAD analysis for Thursday, 13th of September. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had a sell side momentum take us down towards this 3069. We've had this brief consolidation around 3069 and its 400 period moving average. We weren't able to hold this 3069 for a retest of that 3111. What we did instead see was a breakdown from this 3069. So that sell side momentum come into the market from this 3069, take us all the way down towards this 130, from which we are having this consolidation. We try to break away from that 130, but we do seem poised for another test of that 130 to see whether it does hold, whether it does fail to hold as a, whether it does hold as support. That's what I mean to say. Whether it does hold as support. If now we do hold this 130 here, we do see pretty strong bullish buy side momentum come into this market. We are looking for price head up towards that 36.9. Around 36.9, we do have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average. It does increase likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that level. But if there is sufficient volatility to the upside here to take us beyond the 36.9, a break and hold of that 36.9, we then look at price head up towards that 31.11, which we expect to be the far end of the range here to the upside. If, however, we do see a breakdown from this 130, we are looking for price potentially head down towards a 129.44, successful break from which then looking for price head down towards that 129 here on the US dollar CAD. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart of the US dollar CAD. So on this US dollar CAD, we can see here we've coming towards that 31.88. Which proving itself quite difficult to break above. We've tested it on quite a few occasions, even trade through it on a few occasions, but we weren't able to hold that 31.88. Instead, what we have seen is pretty strong sell side momentum, pretty strong closing near our lows in around at 30.69, and again we've seen a pretty strong bearish day. Closing near its lows all the way down towards this 130, the very next major level of potential support here on the US dollar CAD. So we've previously found support in around that 130 for a rally on the US dollar CAD. Previously encountered resistance again in around that 130, so it's proven to be resistance and support, key round level of that 130. We'll see where we do hold their support for a potential bullish move towards our 36.9 or possibly our 31.11. But if we do fail to hold that 130 at the very next major level of note here to the downsides, possibly that 129. Previously an area we found a support before seeing this rally all the way up towards that 132 here on the US dollar CAD. So that's 129. In around at 129, we should also mention we do have that confluence of the 400 period moving average on the daily chart. Again, thus increased likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level on the US dollar CAD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.